Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix ChatGPT OTP not received. The first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working or not. If your internet is working, that might be cause of the problem. Turn off your Wi-Fi for a few seconds, then on again, or you also switch to mobile data. If that is not working, turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds, then off again. And the second step is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems. This helps remove small bugs and glitches. So the other step is check your email or password carefully. Turn off. Make sure your email or username is correct. Check your password carefully. Turn off your cap locks or VPN and try opening slowly. And wrong details are the most common reason for the login error. So another step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Open Google Play Store, App Store, then search for the app. Tap on update option if it is available. So the another step is clear app cache. Go to your phone setting, then select apps or app management. Then click on app list or apps. Then search for the app. Select storage and cache. Click clear cache. This remove temporary file causing problems. So the last step is install the app. If nothing works, reinstall the app. Uninstall the app, restart your phone, install the app again from Play Store or App Store. By doing all of it, this gives a fresh start to the app. And you also check your spam or junk folder if using email OTP, and wait for few seconds, few minutes, and try it again. And tap to resend OTP. If still not received, try a different email or phone number. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.